Good morning, I'm Akil, your 14C047, and this is my web technology 5th lab in JavaScript. I'm using elements and events, and here are some questions. We have to do the thing. We have to find the largest length of the string using length, and to find the largest element. And second is using to make a BMI calculator. This is the basic code of the making BMI calculator. The third thing is using making a flower garden using CSS and HTML. And the next thing is converter, waitinator, and the other thing is coin flip, to flip a coin and to record the probability of head and tails. And the last thing is ordering a pizza using the HTML and CSS. And here's the code. This is for ordering a pizza. Under the header form, pizza order form, input type like to create a DC for creating a radio button. These are for buttons. This button is for submitting. And this we are using JavaScript over here. Using under the calculation function, we are calculating the price of everything, including the tips. And finally the total will be printed as an output. We are closing the script body and HTML. This is the for pizza ordering form. And the next question is about like flipping of coin. Is the JavaScript for flipping a coin. We are using header file head.h. We are putting a button flip on click. It's calling the flip function, which is under the thing function flip. Is the function what it does. We are calling a random function which randomly creates heads or tails, and the head.h will be recorded and it will be displayed. The next thing is to convert kg to lbs. This is the code for converting kg to lbs. We are using the script from main JavaScript function here. It's under the function convert and variable, like these are the data we are getting, and value, this is the default value we are storing into the value. Whenever the user type a value, it will be multiplied with this value and provide the output. We are providing option id equal to kg and option equal to lbs. We are closing the option tag. Convert this to will be printed like this. We printed like this, converted this kg to lbs convert, and these are the navigation bars. The next thing is making a flower garden, flower bed. And this is the code for flower garden or flower bed. The unique of flower garden. Number of rows, columns. In this you have to type the number of rows and columns that you want to make a flower. We can use also random function to put random flowers according to the rows and column. We are using two loops for I equal to I and j for putting this image source which is in rows.png. To provide the size, we are using the width and height. And the next thing is to calculate the body mass index. In this we are asking the user about the height and weight. As soon as the height and weight we entered, it goes into calculate function, in which it will be like perform certain operation if and it will show the BMI. It based on the condition, like if the BMI is lesser than 18, it will print underweight like this. If our BMI is around 18 to 25, it will show normal. These are the conditions and the statement which should be printed under the JavaScript functions. And the last thing is to find the largest word in the string. This is a simple script JavaScript function to find the largest word. We are prompting the user to enter the word. This will be splitted, and by using a for loop with the condition I less than array.length, length of the array, we will check the longest string actually. Then it will bring the longest words with the number of letters in it. If the longest word is array, it will show one AR array with like 5. And that's all. Thank you for watching.